Hi there, Wonderland's family. Christina Flores here, and welcome back to Wonderland's Artistry, the channel where every journey transforms into a story worth sharing. Today, I'm absolutely thrilled to take you to a destination unlike any other, a place where history, culture, and nature intertwine seamlessly. Welcome to Guadix, Spain, home to the largest cave district in the country. In this episode, we'll explore some of Guadix's most remarkable treasures. Mirador Cerro de la Bala, the breathtaking viewpoint. The iconic Barrio Cuevas, where entire neighborhoods are carved into the earth. And step inside one of the famous cave houses to discover the fascinating charm of cave living. So buckle up and let's dive into this extraordinary adventure that will transport us deep into the heart of Guadix, Spain, a place brimming with history and uniqueness. Guadix, often called the Cathedral Town, lies well off the beaten path in the eastern reaches of Granada province. This vibrant and bustling town boasts a history that dates back to the Phoenicians and Romans, and later played a pivotal role during the Reconquista. But what truly sets Guadix apart is its troglodyte lifestyle, a way of living that has endured for centuries. In the southern part of the town, locals reside in picturesque cave houses, their whitewashed chimneys and doors standing in striking contrast to the rugged ochre terrain. Above it all, the majestic snow-capped peaks of the Sierra Nevada create a dramatic and unforgettable backdrop. Get ready to experience Guadix through my lens, as we uncover its stories, soak in its beauty, and embrace its unique charm. Let's go! If you're new to the channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and join the crew. I release fresh episodes every week, where we explore amazing places across Florida, the US, and even around the world. Your support helps me bring more travel stories and adventures to your screen. So thank you for helping make this dream possible. Our journey to Guadix began in the vibrant city of Granada, Spain, as we traveled toward Valencia. Just a quick 1.5-hour drive, Guadix was the perfect stop for a fascinating half-day detour. And what an adventure it turned out to be! Our first destination was the Barrio Cuevas, a truly extraordinary area where the unique environment of Guadix has shaped the way people live for centuries. Here, entire families have transformed the rugged hillsides into homes, creating a sprawling network of cave dwellings that blend harmoniously with the natural landscape. The history behind these caves is as captivating as their appearance. While their exact origins remain a mystery, historians believe they were first used as living spaces after the Islamic period, becoming more prominent by the 16th century. Today, Guadix boasts over 2,000 inhabited caves, making it the largest cave complex in Europe, home to a community of around 3,000 people. A standout feature of this incredible district is the new Hermitage, an awe-inspiring space carved into the bare hillside. Despite the simplicity of its surroundings, it houses a breathtaking 18th-century canvas of the Virgin de Gracia, an artwork of immense historical and artistic significance, a hidden gem amidst this rustic haven. As we continued exploring, we made our way to the Mirador Cerro de la Bala, a stunning viewpoint offering some of the most breathtaking panoramas Guadix has to offer. From here, the ochre terrain, dotted with whitewashed chimneys, contrasts beautifully against the backdrop of the majestic Sierra Nevada mountains. It felt as though we had stepped into a living masterpiece. To capture the essence of this magical place, I launched my drone from the viewpoint, recording some spectacular photos and videos that I can't wait to share with you. This was truly a moment where the beauty of Guadix came alive from every angle. Next, we stepped inside the Cave House Museum, a fascinating glimpse into the unique underground lifestyle that has been a part of Andalusian culture since Moorish times. For centuries, living underground has been the go-to solution for escaping the intense summer heat waves. a natural form of climate control that's as ingenious as it is practical. What's truly remarkable is how modern and well-appointed many of these cave dwellings are today. From marble floors and fitted kitchens to high-speed internet connections, today's cave homes rival any contemporary Spanish household. In fact, some are downright luxurious. And don't be surprised if locals invite you inside to take a closer look. Hospitality runs deep in Guadix. Nearby in Puralina, there's even a disco inside a cave, and in many of the surrounding villages, you can rent a cave home for an unforgettable overnight stay. It's a truly immersive way to experience this fascinating way of life. At the museum, we had the chance to see the tools used to carve these remarkable homes from solid rock, as well as a collection of artifacts that reveal the resourcefulness and creativity of the people who call these caves home. From ancient techniques to modern comforts, the Cave House Museum offers a vivid story of tradition meeting innovation. After our fascinating cave house tour, we were given a 1-hour break before leaving the Barrio de Cuevas. Naturally, I seized the opportunity to launch my drone once again to capture some stunning aerial shots of the majestic Badlands of Guadix and the imposing limestone mass of Cerro. As my drone soared above, the landscape unfolded like a natural masterpiece. The rugged Badlands, carved into intricate gullies and ridges, contrasted beautifully with the snow-capped peaks of the Sierra Nevada mountains in the distance, a breathtaking backdrop that perfectly encapsulated the region's raw beauty. This landscape is part of the Granada Geopark, a geological treasure shaped over millions of years. For 5 million years, this area was a closed basin, gradually accumulating vast quantities of sediment from nearby mountain ranges. Around 500,000 years ago, the basin connected with the Guadalquivir River network, initiating dramatic erosive processes that sculpted the gullies and badlands we see today. While these erosive forces have largely subsided due to the region's dry climate, the resulting terrain is nothing short of extraordinary. It tells a story of ancient geological transformation, a story I couldn't wait to share with you through my photos and videos. As we made our way out of Guadix, we passed by the magnificent Guadix Cathedral, also known as the Cathedral of the Incarnation. This stunning Roman Catholic cathedral is a true architectural gem that stands proudly at the edge of the historic city. Construction of the cathedral began in the 16th century and spanned nearly 2 centuries, finally being completed in the mid-18th century. Its long history is reflected in its beautiful blend of architectural styles, from Gothic to Renaissance and Baroque. Situated near the former Royal Hospital of the Catholic Monarchs and the Villaliger Palace, the cathedral is one of Guadix's most iconic heritage landmarks. Its commanding presence and intricate details make it a must-see for anyone visiting the area. A fitting final glimpse of Guadix before continuing on our journey. Another remarkable landmark in the area is the Castillo de la Calahorra, a breathtaking castle alcazar that dominates the surrounding town. Built in 1509, this architectural masterpiece is one of the earliest and most prominent works of the Italian Renaissance in Spain, standing as a testament to the region's rich cultural history. Beneath the castle lies a more somber part of its past: cells used to hold Moorish prisoners who were en route to the Chancery of Granada. These haunting remnants of history are still preserved in the castle's basement, offering a glimpse into the region's complex and turbulent past. Declared a national monument, the Castillo de la Calahorra is now privately owned. However, visitors can still arrange access by contacting the local caretaker appointed by the owners. It's a hidden treasure for those eager to explore its grandeur and delve into its fascinating stories. Thank you for watching all the way to the end of this video. I hope it sparked your travel dreams and inspired a sense of wanderlust. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more travel tips, incredible destinations, and unforgettable experiences. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Wonderland's Artistry for behind-the-scenes content and even more travel inspiration. This is Christina, reminding you to embrace the journey, explore new horizons, and seek out those once-in-a-lifetime experiences. Until next time, ciao, and happy travels!